G'day cocktail lovers. This cocktail is called a Camberwell Carrot. The inspiration for the name of this comes from one of my all-time favourite movies, Withnail and I. My friend Charlie actually framed the laserdisc of the movie. He collects and sells laserdiscs under the name Home for the Elderly. Nice joke, I love it. A drug dealer in the movie starts rolling a massive spliff and calls it a Camberwell Carrot, because it looks like a carrot and I invented it in Camberwell. So for this one, it's a nice carrotish colour, and I got my most carrot-like glass, just a Pilsner glass. So it's a rough carrot shape. I'm going to give it a quick taste and then tell you about it. That is a really bright, refreshing drink. A bit more sophisticated than the characters in Withnail and I would drink. You should watch the movie if you haven't, because I really like it. But I'll run through some of the ingredients with you. The main reason I wanted to make this is I saw the recommendation, top it with a grapefruit soda. I just made this grapefruit cordial, and this was an excuse to use it. I'm adding some soda to it. It's pretty easy to make. It's you peel a grapefruit, cover the peel in sugar, and the sugar will leach the oils out of the peel and liquefy. And then I juiced the grapefruit and mixed the juice back in, simmered it for a little while to make sure the sugar was fully dissolved, and that is an all-natural grapefruit cordial. There's a few ingredients in this. The base is gin, a dry gin recommended. I'm using this Archie Rose bone dry gin, particularly good, very junipery gin if you like that sort of thing, and I do. There's a few liqueurs as well. There's yellow chartreuse, and I'm almost through this bottle. Don't panic. When I heard there was a shortage, I got 2 bottles. Although I swear I've never used as much yellow chartreuse as I have since there was a worldwide shortage of it. There's also maraschino in here. I'm using a local maraschino that they call Naked because it's all natural. There's also a bittersweet aperitivo. You might use Campari or Aperol. I'm using a local one. I thought it fit very well because this is a grapefruit-based aperitivo, so it fits in very well with the grapefruit cordial. Well, that's all of the ingredients. I'll show you now how to make it. In a shaker, put 1 ounce or 30 mils of dry gin, then 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils of bittersweet red aperitivo, then 15 mils or 1/2 ounce of yellow chartreuse, 1/3 ounce or 10 mils of maraschino liqueur. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds, and then I did a straight dirty dump into my chilled glass. Then I'm topping that, I used 2 ounces of my grapefruit cordial mixed with some soda water. All comes together quite well. This is a very bright and refreshing drink. This is, I think, a kind of typical summer drink, really. It is summer when I'm making this. Who knows what time of the year it is, what the temperature is when you're watching this anywhere in the world. It's that weird topsy-turvy thing. We experience all the seasons and the temperatures differently. Now, this is Melbourne, renowned for 4 seasons in one day. We can vary 20 degrees in temperature over the course of a day. That's extreme, but it happens. Anyway, I am going to enjoy this. Might have gone, I was thinking, could have made it look like the top of a carrot with a very leafy green, maybe mint on top, or maybe even the top of a carrot, if you actually get one that's got all the green on top of it. But I'm, just going to enjoy it as it is. It's very nice, very light, refreshing. The bubbles are a nice touch, and I think you might enjoy giving yourself a Camberwell Carrot. Cheers.